Hi Gemini, welcome to your reading. This is Mystic Mage Sadis, and today alam mo natin kung anong ganap sa inyo this coming July 1 to 15, 2025. And guys, ano ganap sa Gemini this July 1 to 15, 2025. Okay. Okay, Gemini, you have the Star, Three of Swords, and the Six of Wands. So first off, the Star card. And this indicates a spiritual bond and a connection to the spiritual realm. Tama ba? Spiritual realm. Maybe the spirit is stopping you to pray for those things na maybe galing kayo sa isang challenging situation and you are healing yourself from that particular situation. So, there's a healing process na magaganap and a renewal of energy. Alright, so sa kalagitnaan naman, you have the Three of Swords, which indicates an emotional pain or a disappointment. Siguro you are praying for something, you are hoping for something na makakamit mo or manifest mo for something na siguro gusto mo maka-work, gusto mo maka-earn ng money, but you feel disappointed kasi walang opportunity na natanggap or hindi kayo natanggap. If we're talking about career, maybe ganun yung nangyari. You are hoping for something na matanggap kayo pero hindi kayo natanggap. Disappointment itong Three of Swords ito. So, maybe you feel stress at the moment and you feel unmotivated para maghanap ulit ng work because you are really praying or hoping for this work na matanggap kayo. Okay. Sa love life naman, you feel connected with that person but you feel na there's a lack of time. Ayan, parang mahirap i-manage yung time nyo sa isa't isa. And you feel alone at some point. Ganun. But let's not forget the third card, which is the Six of Wands. And this indicates a victory, a recognition. So, parang yung life situation nyo this coming July 1 is pag ganyan. Parang siyang trail na taas, baba, ganun. Kasi at some point, you feel hopeful, and the next day, you will feel disappointed, unmotivated, but at the end of the day, you're going to succeed. So, ganun na ang buhay, Gemini. So, huwag mawala ng pag-asa. If you feel unmotivated right now, so don't lose hope. Instead, gawin mo yung drive mo. Ayan, para pag-igihan mo pa, pagsikapan mo pa. Maybe sa mga interviews, siguro sa mga exams, kung student pa kayo, or sa love life nyo, mas i-open up nyo yung sarili nyo sa inyong partner. If ever merong mga problems or miscommunication or kulang sa time, i-open up nyo para may solution, may success, may Six of Wands, recognition, para magkaayos na or pumasa kayo sa interview or magtagumpay kung ano na yung mga nais niyo sa buhay. Okay? So, I have here mystic cards, oracle cards to guide you in your daily life situation, Gemini. So, enjoy your guidance for Gemini this coming July 1 to 15, 2025. You will get there. Okay. Ayun na nga sinasabi ko sa inyo. Yun na nga sinasabi ko. Okay. You will get there, Gemini. You can't force flowers to grow or plants to sprout. Be patient and respect that everything happens in its own way and time. So, yun na nga sinasabi ko sa inyo. Yun na nga. Okay. Thank you for this card, angels. So, you will get there by Gemini. So, ang buhay is parang roller coaster lang or parang Ferris wheel na taas baba. At hindi ibig sabihin na nasa baba ka ngayon, like these 3 points, feel disappointed and motivated, dyan ka na hanggang habang buhay. Hindi ganun. Kasi at the end of the day, you have this 6 of Wands, which victory or success. So, you will get there kung saan ka papunta. So, wag mong i-force yung sarili mo sa mga career na hindi para sa inyo. Bagkus, pagsikapan mo pang mabuti kasi may mga bagay na nakatadhana sa inyo. Be patient daw. Be patient lang, magtiwala sa sarili, and everything happens in its own way and time. So, darating yung panahon na pagbibigyan din kayo ng universe and makakamit mo din yung gusto nyo sa buhay. Alright, Gemini? So, that's a beautiful reading. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I hope to see you soon sa ating next video.